Turning your basement into a kitchen is like discovering hidden treasure in your own home. It's an opportunity to unearth a space that has been underutilized and transform it into something truly special. Imagine the excitement of opening that basement door and envisioning a brand new kitchen where there was once just storage or an empty room. It's a chance to create a space that's both functional and full of character. You can design it to reflect your personal style, incorporating unique features like open shelving, vintage lighting, or a bold color scheme. The possibilities are endless when it comes to making this space your own. Imagine having an extra kitchen for entertaining, a cozy spot for family gatherings, or even a potential income source as a rental unit. The possibilities are endless. Whether it's hosting dinner parties, celebrating holidays, or simply enjoying a quiet meal with loved ones, this new kitchen can become the heart of your home. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, transforming your basement into a kitchen is an achievable dream. With the right tools and a bit of planning, you can take on this project with confidence. Start by measuring your space and planning the layout, considering how you want to use the kitchen and what features are most important to you. With a little planning and effort, you can create a space that's both beautiful and functional. Think about incorporating modern appliances that make cooking a breeze, as well as design elements that make the space inviting and comfortable. The end result will be a kitchen that not only looks great, but also works perfectly for your needs. We're here to guide you every step of the way, offering practical advice and encouragement to help you bring your vision to life. From selecting materials to tackling tricky installations, we'll provide the support you need to make your dream kitchen a reality. So, grab your tool belt and let's get started. There's no better time than now to begin this exciting journey. Gather your tools, prepare your materials, and get ready to dive into the project. This is going to be fun. Renovating your basement into a kitchen is not just about the end result, but also about enjoying the process. Embrace the challenges and celebrate the milestones along the way. We'll tackle each step with clear instructions and helpful tips, making sure you feel confident and excited throughout the process. Our step-by-step guide will break down each task, from demolition to final touches, ensuring you know exactly what to do at every stage. Get ready to unlock the potential of your basement and create a kitchen that's uniquely yours. This is your chance to design a space that reflects your personality and meets your needs, turning an overlooked area into a vibrant and essential part of your home. Before you pick up a hammer, let's talk about planning. Planning is the cornerstone of any successful renovation project. It's not just about having a vision, but also about understanding the practical steps to bring that vision to life. A well-thought-out plan is the foundation of any successful project. It ensures that every detail is accounted for, from the placement of appliances to the flow of foot traffic. It helps you avoid costly mistakes and ensures that your new kitchen meets your needs and style. Discussing your plans with a contractor can provide valuable insights and help you foresee potential issues. Start by measuring your basement carefully. Accurate measurements are crucial as they form the basis of your entire design. Note the location of existing walls, windows, and doors. This will help you understand the structural limitations and possibilities of your space. Consider the placement of plumbing and electrical outlets. These elements are often fixed and will significantly influence your layout options. These existing elements will influence your layout options. Using design software can help you visualize how different layouts will work in your space. Sketch out different kitchen layouts, keeping in mind the work triangle, the space between the sink, stove, and refrigerator. This concept is key to creating an efficient and functional kitchen. Think about how you'll move around the space. Visualizing your daily activities can help you design a kitchen that is both practical and comfortable. Do you need room for a dining area? Consider how you and your family will use the space for meals and gatherings. How about an island for extra prep space? An island can provide additional storage and a place for casual dining or socializing. Visualize yourself cooking, cleaning, and spending time in your new kitchen. Imagine the workflow and how you can optimize the space for your needs. This will help you create a layout that is both practical and enjoyable. A well-planned kitchen not only enhances your cooking experience, but also becomes a central hub for family activities and memories. With your plan in place, it's time to prepare your basement for its grand transformation. This step is crucial for ensuring a smooth renovation process and preventing any surprises down the line. First, clear out the clutter. Remove any furniture, boxes, or debris that might get in your way. Next, inspect your basement for any signs of moisture, cracks, or leaks. Address these issues before moving forward. Proper insulation is key for a comfortable and energy-efficient kitchen. Check your existing insulation and add more if needed. Don't forget about ventilation. Good airflow is essential for a healthy and pleasant kitchen environment. Consider installing an exhaust fan or upgrading your existing ventilation system. By taking these steps, you'll create a clean and prepped canvas for your dream kitchen. Plumbing and electrical work are essential for a functioning kitchen. While these tasks might seem daunting, remember that you don't have to be an expert to tackle them. With a little research and careful planning, you can confidently handle much of the work yourself. Start by mapping out the location of your sink, dishwasher, refrigerator, and any other appliances that require water or drainage. Next, determine the placement of electrical outlets, light switches, and appliances that need electricity. It's crucial to follow local building codes and regulations for all plumbing and electrical work. If you're unsure about any aspect of these installations, don't hesitate to consult with a licensed professional. They can ensure that everything is up to code and safe for your family. Remember, safety comes first. Section 5. Building the bones cabinets, countertops, and more. Now comes the exciting part, bringing your kitchen structure to life. Installing cabinets, countertops, and other framework will give your kitchen its shape and personality. Start by installing your cabinets, ensuring they are level and securely attached to the walls. Consider pre-assembled cabinets for easier installation. Next, add your countertops, choosing a material that fits your style and budget. You can opt for durable granite, sleek quartz, or budget-friendly laminate. Don't forget about storage solutions. Utilize every inch of space with clever cabinet organizers, pull-out drawers, and open shelving. This is your chance to customize your kitchen to fit your specific needs and preferences. Section 6. Appliance installation. Bringing your kitchen to life. Your kitchen is almost complete. Now it's time to install the appliances that will make it a culinary haven. This step involves connecting your appliances to water, gas, and electrical lines, so it's important to follow manufacturer instructions carefully. Begin by installing your sink and faucet. Make sure all connections are secure and there are no leaks. Next, move on to larger appliances, such as your refrigerator, stove, oven, and dishwasher. Refer to the appliance manuals for specific installation instructions and safety precautions. Don't forget to test each appliance thoroughly after installation to ensure it's working correctly. With your appliances in place, your dream kitchen is just a few finishing touches away. Section 7. Adding your personal touch paint, lighting, and decor. Your basement kitchen is now functional, but it's time to infuse it with your personal style and create a welcoming atmosphere. This is where the magic happens, transforming a simple space into a reflection of your taste and personality. This is where your creativity can truly shine. Think about the colors, textures, and themes that resonate with you. Start by painting your walls in a color that complements your chosen cabinetry and countertops. Whether you prefer bold, vibrant hues or soft, calming shades, the right paint can set the tone for the entire room. Light, neutral colors can make the space feel larger and brighter. They provide a versatile backdrop that can easily be updated with new accessories and decor over time. Don't be afraid to add an accent wall for a pop of color or personality. An accent wall can highlight a specific area, create a focal point, or simply add a touch of fun to your kitchen. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. The right lighting can make your kitchen feel warm and inviting, or sleek and modern. Install a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting ambiance. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination, task lighting focuses on work areas, and accent lighting highlights architectural features or decor. Don't forget the finishing touches. These small details can make a big difference in the overall feel of your kitchen. Add window treatments, rugs, artwork, and decorative items that reflect your personal style and make your kitchen feel like home. These elements not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also add comfort and functionality to your space. Section 8. Enjoying your new kitchen. Time to celebrate. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your basement into a beautiful and functional kitchen. Take a moment to admire your hard work and celebrate this incredible accomplishment. Imagine all the memories you'll create in this new space. From hosting dinner parties to enjoying casual meals with loved ones, your basement kitchen will be the heart of your home. This project has not only added value to your property, but also enriched your life with a beautiful and functional space. Section 9. Sharing the DIY joy. Join the conversation. We hope this guide has empowered you to tackle your own basement kitchen project. Remember, DIY is a journey, and it's even more rewarding when you share it with others. We encourage you to share your experiences, tips, and photos of your finished kitchen in the comments below. Your journey might inspire someone else to embark on their own DIY adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring DIY projects, design ideas, and practical advice. Happy renovating!